The pen tool, found in the toolbar, is one of the most powerful drawing tools in Illustrator. With it, you can create and edit anchor points and paths. To create straight lines with the pen tool, click and release to create an anchor point. Move the pointer, and you'll see a preview of the path you are creating. Click and release to create another anchor point. You can continue clicking and releasing in different areas to create more anchor points for the path. To close a path, move the pointer over the original anchor point and, when a circle shows next to the pointer, press the Shift key and click the endpoint. To stop drawing a path without closing it, press the Escape key. Creating an anchor point, drag to create direction handles, and then release. The more you drag when creating or editing anchor point handles, the more curve the path has. To change the direction of a path while drawing, drag to create a smooth point, a curve. Release the mouse button. Move the pointer over the end of a direction handle, press the Option key, macOS, or Alt key, Windows, and drag the end of the handle to split them. To remove a direction handle as you draw with the pen tool, so that you can go from a curve to a straight line, click back on the last anchor point created to remove the handle. Then continue drawing.